This is what I get to look at from afar at my seat. And I'm sitting here. That's where I'm at on my fun cross stitch. I just started my second color. It's coming along beautifully. And now I hear my children returning. They were just off playing basketball at the playground. Yeah, imagine waking up to that every day. So this is a view I get from my fireplace. I'm walking to the edge of the beach. You can go out pretty far before you hit anything above your knees. So it's perfect for the kiddos. A little stairway down into the sand. It's pretty relaxing. Come on, Prince Charming.
I probably could get it in front of his face.
You probably could.
You can, can you, make it close so you see something?
Should I zoom in on him?
Yeah.
Whoa. He looks huge in there.
Yay, slow.
I'm recording him. Swim, frog!
Swim away. Maybe I should.
Look at his creepy legs.
I'm gonna do it slow-mo.
So it's the last night here. I have less than 24 hours till I go home. This is the way I have to walk to the bathroom. If I suddenly just don't talk to you, it's because I don't want to look weird vlogging. It's quite the journey. It's about 3 blocks. So as you can imagine, forgive the bouncing. I also don't want to get other people. Gorgeous. I'll show you my campsite when I get back. Oh, gonna have to cut that music out, copyright. Off that way is playground, swimming area, but we can swim right off of our beach. Playground's in the distance. And our destination, the bathroom. And yes, I have to do this every time. But as I'm recording, it's only taken me 2 minutes, which doesn't help in the morning when you have to go so bad that you can almost taste it. Okay, you can't come in there with me. Well, I might show you what it looks like because it's kind of nice. Hold on. Showers. 25 cents for 3 minutes. Gotta shower fast. 2 stalls. Pretty cool. There's me. Hi. So down that road is a dock. I'll show that to you later. Now that the beach is empty, I want to show you. And now I know what you're thinking when I said that I rough it. I do rough it. That's the only bathroom that is like that. All the rest of them are porta potty style. So, and they rent that pavilion out sometimes for parties, weddings even. Because there are people in Wisconsin that like weddings of this style. So my campsite is on this same beach. Obviously I don't have a selfie stick, so that's why you get in the big bounce. Well, I do, I just didn't think to bring it. So this is the roped off swimming area. Just over there. Right up there, and then you turn a little. There's a fishing, like, boat launch. It's a pretty active lake most of the time. Right now it's been quite quiet, but usually you see a lot of skiers and pull behinds on boats. It's really fun. Like, I think straight ahead, I'll zoom in, there's a slide. Can you see it? Can you see it? That's as close as I can get. You can see the yellow thing. It's a slide. That's pretty common around any lakes around here. So now we're gonna walk. I gotta walk back because we're cooking dinner. And we've been blessed with good weather. No rain. It's been warm. It had been overcast, but it's cleared up now. Thank goodness, because I hate packing up when everything's wet. Between those trees, that's all fishing back there. But we don't want to zoom in on somebody's site. So it's uphill and then back downhill. And I don't think you need to see the same road again, so we'll come back when there's more to see. Now that we're a little closer, I thought I'd let you see my campsite. So right there, you can get down to our campsite. There's a little trail. That tent there that you can barely make out is mine. The green one back there is my uncle's, and me and my sister share. There's my home for the week. There's my truck, my baby. We just started using these greenhouses the last 2 years because the bees are so bad. The kids were freaking out all the time. Home tour. We won't go in. That's where me and Talon sleep. My husband's not here. That's where my mom was sleeping, but she's going to a different home tonight because she likes her own space. But yeah, that's pretty spacious. It's my second year using this nice bed because I don't wake up on the floor. So that's home away from home until tomorrow.